just put the brake cable back in. This one is a bad design, you know, like it's easy, the caliper easy frozen because they build up the emergency brake with a caliper. Boom, it's set, just pull it a little bit, just install number 12mm back in and install the brake hose. And you need to let your customer step on the brake inside the car, just bleed all the air out from the brake system. Alright, it's almost done, guys. So next, we install the brake hose. Okay, it's time to tighten up caliper brake hose and release it, and time to bleed the air out from the system. You guys look at it closely, okay? Okay, you ready, Bob? Jack, thumbs up. Yep. You pump it? Okay, hold on. Yeah, you just let your customer or someone hold the brake panel down and you release it. Okay, pump it. Hold on. Okay, pump it on. Okay, pump it. Hold on. Okay, pump it.
Hold it.
Pump in first. Hold on.
Hold it.
Okay, pump it. Hold on. Okay, it's all set, Bob. All set. Okay, it's all set to go, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you so much. Yeah, goodbye.